रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी ने टीएम फोरम डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वर्ल्ड सीरीज 2020 से खिताब किया। इस दौरान रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज के चेयरमैन मुकेश अंबानी ने कहा कि हिंदुस्तानी टेलीकॉम सेक्टर को अपना 2G नेटवर्क बनाने में 25 साल लगे और रिलायंस जियो 3 सालों में 4G तैयार करने में कामयाब हुआ। 4 वर्षों में हिंदुस्तान को 155 पोस्ट से लेकर दुनिया के आला मोबाइल डेटा सार्फिन तक पहुंचाने में जियो के किरदार पर जोर देते हुए अंबानी ने कहा कि अब टेलीकॉम भारत में 5G खदमात अंजाम देने के लिए तैयार है।
Before Jio, India was stuck with 2G technology, and Jio wanted to end India's data misery and unleash a digital revolution. We built a world-class, all-IP, future-proof digital network that delivers the highest speed and the best coverage across India. While it took 25 years for the Indian telecom industry to build its 2G network, Jio built its 4G network only in 3 years. And to ensure widespread adoption of data, we launched with the lowest data tariffs in the world and made voice services completely free for Jio users. Second, let me talk about devices. Before Jio, over 500 million Indians were left out of the digital movement because they couldn't afford smartphones and had to make do with 2G feature phones. Our young and talented Jio engineers rose to the challenge of designing the world's ultra-affordable breakthrough device called the Jio phone that provided a window to the world of limitless possibilities for over 100 million Indians in less than a year. Third, let me talk about digital applications and solutions. Right from day one, Jio offered a bouquet of mobile applications and solutions that offered our customers rich content spanning live TV, movies, music, news, magazines, in addition to other applications that addressed collaboration, financial services, payments, and so on. When we combine digital connectivity, digital devices, and digital applications and solutions, the results were amazing. Adding customers at a mind-boggling rate of 7 customers every second, Jio garnered 100 million customers in just 170 days of its launch. Simultaneously, we are preparing for rolling out 5G services across India.